Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we'll look at how to print in Python. We've already used the print command a few times, but we'll see what other options you have. Some of the things that I'm going to show here I might already have. So with that, let's dive in. So basically, if you're familiar with print statements in programming languages like C, you should be able to relate to this. Just to show you a quick example, I just quickly googled and found this article. So printf is the print function, and you can use %d for integers, C for characters, F for float, LF for long float. These are the codes that you'd use, and %s is for string. When you want to print a string, you would say printf in double quotes %s comma and then the string value or whatever. So after the comma, so you close the double. Let me see if I can find an example. So this here is how you print character, and then this %c here is replaced with the variable in ch, which is basically a, capital A. So that's how they do it in the C language. We can use similar codes here. So you can use %d for integer, F for float, and S for string. I just have a few variables here. I just have neo for name, 33 for age and occupation hacker, temperature and rating. Now this is where the print comes in. So I've written a statement here, and this statement has some percentage and say a character accompanying that, like %s is a string. So this %s corresponds to name, this one corresponds to occupation, %d here is for the integer age, and temperature is represented by %1f, which is decimal or floating point value, and then the %2f, basically the number is the number of decimal points that we want to have, that's corresponding to rating. So when I print this, it should come up with something like that. But we'll run it and see what it does. And the other way of doing this is, instead of using percentage operator, you could use dot format. So you type your string, once you terminate the string, you use dot format, and then each of these curly braces is replaced by a variable. Basically, I've got a few examples here. So list-based formatting. So here you could have the curly brace 1 represents the second argument, and name is represented by 0 here. So you could pick which of these curly braces gets swapped with which variable. So in this statement, you can specify how much space an argument can take. So here neo can take up to 4 characters, which means there's one space added as in the end. And same with here, hacker has 6 characters, but we're saying 8, so there's a couple of spaces that need to be added to make it 8 characters wide. This is a good example of spaces. What we're doing here is between 1 and 11 for I in a for loop, we're just printing I times I, which is basically, if it's 2 it's 4, this is 8. So this will go 3 digits very easily, and so will this. So we're saying for the first I, we want to have 2-digit padding, and for the second one we want to have 3-digit padding, and same for the third one. So we'll look at the output in a moment. So here I've got age, and I can also use this sort of convention, curly braces. This can be not just age, this can be anything, and then you equate that in the dot format. You can equate that to the variable. So literally this could be my age, and this could be my age, and this could be my age. So if I run the program, so there we go. Yeah, here we have everything replaced in the similar fashion, and here again same thing, the curly braces are replaced with the dot format function. And if we scroll down, hacker is a neo, basically that's here, hacker is a neo, and this is where the padding kicks in here. So this is where the padding has come up, and this is the output for the for loop right here. So it adds extra padding without you having to manage that, and it prints the output in an orderly fashion. And finally, my age is replaced with age, which is 12. There it is. So that's all we have in this video.
If you like this video, please share with your friends. Comment if you'd like to start a conversation. Come on, don't be shy. And hit the subscribe button now.